How to restart your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can refresh or reboot your Chrome browser, and you can also reset your all setting to by default their by default settings of Chrome browser. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. So guys, if you want to just reset your Chrome browser, then you can restart easily. It's maybe any reason. So I just show you first how you can reset your Chrome browser. So what you need to do, just click on three dot option, go to the settings. After the setting, just come to the search bar and select the settings word only and tab here restart. Just hit the enter, then your Chrome browser will be restart like this. Okay, so it is only restart. Okay, but if you want to reset your by default setting, or if you want to scan your Chrome browser, you can reset it. Just go to the reset here and you can reset the by default original setting. And this is only reset your Chrome setting, Chrome shortcuts. It disable only extension, it will which is you can enable again, and it is delete cookies and other temporary site data. Okay, it won't affect your bookmark history and save password, it will be not affected. You can reset. After reset, now your Chrome browser is come to the default settings, and it is refreshed now. It's refreshed now. And you can also clean up your computer, like go to the computer and find scan in, is there any harmful software on your computer. If you find any harmful software here, after scan you need to delete it from your computer control panel or settings. Okay, so that is how you can reset the Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.